Hey guys, iOS 17.3 is here with tons of new features. So in this video, I'm going to cover all those features, and the update size depends upon from which update you are coming. So it can also vary from iPhone to iPhone. Now, as it shows, this update introduces additional security measures with stolen device protection. This release also includes a new Unity wallpaper to honor Black history and culture in celebration of Black History Month, as well as other features. So we will talk about all these features in this video. But before that, I want to show you that how you can install this update on your iPhone. So what you need to do is simply go to settings. Let me just turn on do not disturb mode. Okay, so simply go to settings, then go to general, then go to software update, and over here you will see this update. I am already on 17.3. If you are using 17.2.1 or any other update, you will see the update just like this. But if you're already running 17.3 beta 3, then you must but if you are already on iOS 17.3 RC update, that RC update has automatically become a public update. So all the RC users out there, you don't have to install any update. You are already on 17.3. Well, that is quite a simple thing. Now let's go back and let's talk about the new features in the iOS 17.3. Now, stolen device protection feature is here. It increases security of iPhone and Apple ID by requiring Face ID or Touch ID with no passcode fallback to perform certain actions. Now, what it does, for example, your phone gets stolen, it gives an additional layer of security according to the locations, so no one will able to get access to your private data. And also there will be a security delay. Now security delay can help you may get to recover your iPhone, and it keep other person to not to get access to your private data. So how you can turn this on is quite simple. What you need to do is simply go to settings, then go to Face ID and passcode over here. After going over here, now go all the way down, and over here you will see this feature, stolen device protection. From here you can turn this feature on. As it shows again, this adds another layer of security when iPhone is away from familiar locations such as home and work. So this can be a life-changing feature. Now going back to another feature is the lock screen. New Unity wallpapers honor Black history and culture in celebration of Black Month. I am already running this wallpaper. This is how something the wallpaper looks like. Now going to over here, customize it. I want to show you. Now there are a couple of styles, so let's start from start. This is a Unity style, as you can see. Now the next one is the red one, the next one is green one, this is multicolor one, and this is the black version. You can choose anyone you want. It also keep on changing these floors location, which looks really cool. After a certain time this floor will go away and anything else will come up, which looks really cool. So basically these are kind of a live wallpaper, you can say that. Now let's back to the other features. In the music application, there is a collaborative playlist on which you can share music with your friends or any person or maybe a family. So basically collaborative playlist came in the iOS 17.2 betas, but it was removed in I think beta 3 or beta 4, but now it was back with the iOS 17.3 betas, and finally it is here with the iOS 17.3. Also there are emoji reactions where you can give different reactions on certain music, certain song. That is also really cool. This update also includes the following improvements. AirPlay hotel supports let you stream content directly to the TV in your room in select hotels. Apple Care and warranty in settings shows you your coverage for all devices signed with your Apple ID. Crash detection optimization, all iPhone 14 and 15 models, which is really cool. So these are the new features in the iOS 17.3. Mainly I'm hoping to see a better battery life. I'm hoping to see battery draining fix. I'm hoping to see Wi-Fi connectivity issues be fixed. These things I'm hoping. Definitely I'm going to test this out for a couple of days and will come back to you. Although I was using iOS 17.3 RC update, I did a real world test video. That video is already available on my channel. You can check out that video if you want to. So I want to show you a battery life using it for a couple of days. For example, over here on Sunday I used around 75%, maybe 80% of my iPhone running iOS 17.3 RC update, and the screen on time was 7 hours and 28 minutes, which is quite decent for 80% of usage. Most of the usage was definitely on Instagram, then X, and that's all. But I'm gonna test this iOS 17.3 update couple of days, and I will definitely come back with another video. Well, if you like this video, let me know in the comment section below. Also, let me know what iOS version you are using. Let me know in the comments. I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Peace out.